everyone, myself Tanuja. Today I am going to say you all about the historians and their sources. These historians and their sources roughly starts from 700 to 1750 years ago. For example, last year you have already read about the Gupta dynasty and Harshavardhana dynasty. So in this you will read continuous sources like the still relic coins, inscriptions, architectures and textual records. But there is a considerable disconnect. There are variety of textual records which is used in a grammatically. And in this spirit paper, this spirit paper was used for holy texts, chronicles of rulers, and for letters and teaching for saints, and for petitions and for judicial records, and for accounts and taxes. Manuscripts. What are manuscripts? Manuscripts are handwritten documents. These all manuscripts were collected by the wealthy people, rulers, monasteries and the temples. These all collected manuscripts were kept in the archives. Archive is a place where manuscripts and the documents were kept. Today all the national and state governments are using this place for keeping their official records and transactions. These all documents and manuscripts give a lot of information, but it is very difficult to historians to read these all manuscripts and documents. People know that in those days we was not having a printing press and a printing machine. So all the scribes were using the manuscripts and writing the manuscripts or copying the manuscripts by hand in those days. For example, in those days all the scribes was writing by hand, right? Now, for example, if you write your friend's homework by hand or copy your friend's homework, you would understand how much difficult it is. So, but in those days, all the scribes was writing by hand itself. Now, if you want to know how it is, now you can copy your friend's homework. You would understand, right? So, you was forced to guess what it was. But it was not a simple exercise to write. As the result, a small and significant signs were copied by your friend's homework, right? Even the manuscripts copying is in a similar way. When the scribes write the copying by hand the manuscripts, they was keeping a small significant signs. Small differences in all the original manuscripts and the manuscripts which were copied by the scribes. The same text became substantially from one another. There was a serious problem that all in the historians all was depending upon the originals. But today we all are depending upon the copies. We are not depending upon the original. These all copies will come from printing machine, right? We know all that. As the historians need to read different manuscripts version, so they need to guess which is the original manuscripts and which is scribes wrote. So when these all manuscripts copied by scribes, they kept a significant signs. By that, all the historians need to see which is the original manuscript and which is the written by scribes' hand manuscripts. On the occasion, author received the chronicles at a different time. The first chronicle was introduced by Jayadin Badani in 1356 and the other version in 2 years later. From each other, it was not guessed by the historians in 1960s, and these all two chronicles was lodged in large libraries. We have all understood about the historians and their sources. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.